Hey everyone! Welcome to another UK Couple Doing Things interior video. So this video is in our house again. You can see our understairs down behind us. One part of the house that we haven't really spent too much time on is our fireplace walls and our fireplaces. So we thought, why not make a video about how you can decorate your fireplaces? And so that's something that we can share with you. So this house, we've got 4 fireplaces. One in the living room, dining room, and then one in each bedroom. And we'll be looking to decorate them all differently. And we thought to sort of give you some education on how you can do some DIY decoration, we'll have 4 different increasing levels of difficulty on how you can decorate your fireplace. So we'll start with a more beginner one and then work our way up to a more advanced. But when we say advanced, it's still very much achievable and very much DIY. So that's going to be the gist of this video.
Yeah, and we have sprinkled in some tips throughout the video. Some of them are renter friendly as well.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for all of that, and I hope you enjoy. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first stop is our living room fireplace, and we're going to show you as beginners what you can do very quickly for a very impactful change. And it's all going to be with minimal effort. For the first one, we repainted the fireplace to revitalize it. This is a cheap and quick hack. Hang some art in the center if you don't have anything already.
We've used 2 wireless wall sconces here to elevate the wall further. This is renter friendly, there's no wires, you can pull out the bulb and charge it.
The type of sconces chosen suits the aesthetic of the room. The sconce placement is also symmetrical, which adds to the elegance. Asymmetry will be handled later in the video. Lighting does not just add focus to the art, but also adds character to the space.
The overall look of this fireplace, it's simple, elegant and clean, and we think it achieves a high-class effect. We're now in the main bedroom where we've got a fireplace sat on the blue wall. Here's another way to decorate a fireplace, this time taking it one step further than the living room. Here's how fireplace number 2 turned out. You can see we've got a more compact fireplace here, and we've done the same in that we've painted it to refresh it. If you feel that art in general is expensive, well, you can make this yourself. I have no creative talent, yet I was able to achieve this. Self-created art, no matter how chic or shabby, always adds personality as it suits you. Always try and do this if you can. It's better than buying mass-produced art.
We do post short-form content like this side project and much more on our Instagram pages and as YouTube shorts, so consider following us there. Avoid placing stuff on your mantelpiece. If it's short and narrow, that makes it look clutter-free and more tidy. We chose to keep the art piece at the center of the wall rather than keeping it center to the fireplace. This was because we wanted to use the entire width of the wall and showcase a single piece of art. Then, to counter the disorienting asymmetry, I added a gold detail towards the right, which matches a pattern that is on the opposite wall in the same room.
You could put a decorative light above this art piece. However, in our case, the gold paint is metallic and so it reflects light already. However, you can see we've got studio spotlights and so we can just point a light towards the art piece. Always consider what else is in the room before you choose how much to decorate your fireplace wall. In our case, either side of the wall was quite busy, so we chose to keep this wall clean.
We're at fireplace number 3. This one doesn't need treating. It was done when we had moved in. But for the column, we're going to step it up a little bit and do something a bit more creative. These are traditional block printing blocks from Rajasthan, India. They work better on paper and cloth. The beauty lies in the imperfections of the design.
Here's how fireplace number 3 looks. So we have another compact fireplace here, but this one was already treated, so nothing to do there. You saw we mounted some shelves, and the basic thing might have only been to just keep the shelves and that was it, but we wanted to do something more.
We've showcased how you can decorate this wall for utility but also with style. The fireplace is not centrally positioned, as you can see. Keeping the weighing scale in the balanced position looked odd. Tilting it to an imbalanced position ironically restores balance to the scene. Using command strips mean we can always change the positioning. #rent-friendly.
Here's how we've shown you how you can showcase your hobbies and inspirations on the wall. You can think of simple ways to bring things to life on your wall. We've taken reading as a hobby.
The Rajasthani printing blocks was actually used in one of our other projects. There's also a video on it called 9-Hour Bedroom Transformation. You must check it out. This fireplace decor for me personally feels very bespoke, and it's definitely something that guests would not have seen before.
We're on to our last fireplace here in the dining room, and this is definitely one of our favourites. But before we go on to that one, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of videos coming this year related to interior design, and we would love for you to watch them. So on to the last fireplace. We don't have that cast iron structure here. Instead, we've got a rustic exposed fireplace. This is definitely going to be the most challenging of them all. However, it is still DIY friendly, and if implemented yourself, it would be something you'd be very proud of to show to your guests. All right, shall we begin? Yeah. Let's go. Welcome to the final fireplace for this video. Our aim was to extend the farmhouse theme of the room onto this wall. Now the mirror on the wall and the fireplace are symmetric, but we chose to add asymmetry onto the wall. Now this is just our preference, symmetrical designs would have worked as well. The green grass on the fireplace floor ties into the vines and plants around the room. It also softens that space. This area isn't really regularly accessible for us, and so we've just kept it tidy and spacious.
The stencil and plaster technique is inspired from an Instagram reel, truth be told. The unique part in our implementation is that the design is hand painted to gradually gain color as it moves towards a physical hanging plant. To us, this is a reminder of manifestation. It literally appears like a mere concept or idea has come to life. I would like to add that leaving the designs all white also looked stunning, and hanging the right quality of faux plant looks as beautiful as a real plant. Hey guys, if you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you liked it. Give us some more suggestions down in the comment below, like the things you liked about it and things maybe you wouldn't think of doing. Yeah, any kind of feedback, positive, negative, more than welcome. And yeah, stay tuned for more such videos.
Yeah, we're really proud of this one, so we're hoping we can bring you something more from the house coming soon.
And please consider liking, sharing and subscribing. I'm still not used to that, but yeah, please consider doing that and supporting the channel. Thank you so much.
Thanks guys, see ya.
Bye.
Bye. Unless you strongly believe this.
Because I'm trying to visualize, like once it's all grey,